Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to be showing you dimension control in Looker Studio. So we've got two charts over here. The one is a table and the other one's a bar chart, and they're both set up the same way, with the dimension being first user source and the metric being total users. Now let's say that we wanted to look at some other dimensions by total users. There's two ways we could do that. We could either duplicate these charts several different times, or we could create parameters to switch between dimensions. But now there's a new way we can do that in Looker Studio. And what we do is we click on Add a Control on the top ribbon, scroll down to Dimension Control, and click. And we place that over here. Now we can see that it's currently got first user source as the only dimension listed here. But what we can do is start adding some other dimensions. So we can look at first user medium, we can look at country, and we can look at device category. Now we've got four different dimensions here. So if we click view and interact with the dashboard, we've got our default first user source, and if we click dimension we can now switch. So we can go to first user medium, and you'll see that this changes from source to medium. Country, so you can see this is now country by number of users, and device category. And if we switch to country, we can scroll down and interact with the charts as we would normally, and we can then go back to first user source. So this is a great way to maximize information and space on your dashboards, so you don't have to create four different tables for four different dimensions. You can just have one chart or two charts in this case, and scroll and filter by different types of dimensions. So that was it. Hope you found this useful.